Everybody,
Hi.
welcome back. And for this one, we're doing the Dumbo Octopus. Right, Izzy?
Yeah.
Okay, here we go. So, Izzy, the Dumbo Octopus. We are going to start by drawing a head shape. So we're just going to do like a bump. But we're going to leave a little space on the one side, okay? So we draw that and we stop there and we bring it down. Okay, so now we're going to draw two eyes. Okay. So we can draw two big eyes. I'm gonna make it all cute. Put the reflection there and the reflection that side. Okay, I'm gonna draw a pupil and a pupil on the other side. So we've got two cute eyes.
Yep.
Okay, and in the space I'm gonna draw an ear shape. Got yours?
Yep.
And on the other side, I'm going to draw another one that's sticking out from kind of the back. Just like that. So the Dumbo Octopus has two fins on its head that actually looks like ears, but it's not ears.
Yeah.
But it just looks like a cute little character. Okay, so now, because it's an octopus, obviously it has tentacles.
Yeah.
But the Dumbo Octopus has
Short.
cute little short tentacles. So we can just show them with cute little short tentacles, and they're all frilly. So you don't have to show all 8 in front, you can just do 4 or 5 because obviously there's some in the back. That's all I'm gonna do. Just frilly little tentacles. And for mine, I'm gonna make 3 little markings here, just a little color variation. Little dots on him.
Me.
Are you gonna do yours, or you're just gonna leave him as is?
I'm gonna draw someone who is in potato family.
Someone that's in potato family.
Yeah, that look like potato but not.
Oh, I see.
That character
So who's that? Just another character.
is the person
Oh, so
I did not give her name, but me and my friend, she also a YouTuber, actual, we draw some potato variant.
Okay, so you got potato variants with your friend. That's cool.
Yeah.
So you got a little character riding the Dumbo Octopus. Okay, so that's the Dumbo Octopus, everybody.
Yes.
A cute little character. You know what? An octopus's mouth is actually the beak at the bottom, but I'm gonna give mine a cute little smile, even though it's not correct. And you doing yours as well? Ah, I got a little tooth. Okay, time for color, everybody.
Yep.
Here we go. And there we have it, everybody.
Yep.
That's our Dumbo Octopus.
Yep.
And Izzy's one obviously has a little passenger itching a ride there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But I want to say like then let me know if you want to see some potato variant like that a lot.
Okay,
Yeah.
so there's a lot of these potato variants from the normal show, as you would see on our channel.
Yes.
That little character has a lot of friends.
Yes.
So you can check that out as well. And that's that.
Yep.
Thanks for watching, everybody. Please like, do subscribe, click that bell icon to get notified of any new videos. And always remember to be good
And have fun.
and have fun.
Bye.
Bye.
John.